Risotto with radicchio. Ingredients. To make risotto with radicchio rosso for 4 people, you need 320 grams carnaroli rice, 400 grams radicchio rosso di Treviso, 1 shallot, vegetable stock as needed, 100 grams grated grana padano, 1 glass of red wine, extra virgin oil or a knob of butter, salt and pepper. Method. First of all, roughly chop the celery, carrot, onion and potatoes to prepare your vegetable stock. Once the vegetables have boiled, strain the stock and keep warm. Then take the radicchio. After washing it carefully, cut it into thin strips and put in cold water to remove some of its bitter taste, which is typical of Treviso chicory. Pour 5 or 6 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into a pan and fry the finely chopped shallot. Add the radicchio after draining it and cook for a few minutes. Then add the rice and toast over a high heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Pour in the red wine and allow it to reduce. Lower the heat and start adding the stock little by little. A smooth risotto should be cooked slowly, stirring frequently. When cooked, stir in the grated grana padano and allow the risotto to rest for a few minutes before serving.